Hello, you're welcome to this channel. Alright, so you're going to be looking at how you can change the name of your Facebook page. Alright, as we proceed further, kindly do well to like and subscribe to this channel. Also like this video, and if you have anyone that may need this video, you can also share it with them. Alright, let's go straight to the video. So the training, as it were. So first of all, you have to log into the Facebook account that is holding the page. Then you switch to the page. So that's what we're doing now. You switch to the page. Then you go to the dashboard of the page. Go to the dashboard of the page. Then locate settings. Locate settings. Then from settings, then you go ahead and locate page setup. Alright, so from page setup, you're going to see everything, every basic details of the page. So we have the name here. You click on it, and then you click on edit. Alright, so you can remove this and type whatever name you want to type there. Okay, so then you review the change, and that is all. Then you save it. That will be all you get. So I'm not actually changing the name of this page. I just want to show you how to do it, and that is why I deleted the page. Alright, but you can just put in for the page you want to change the name. Just put in the name and review, and that's all. Thank you. Alright, so that's all. It's may ask of your password, your Facebook password. If peradventure you are proceeding further, it may ask for your Facebook account password. You just enter the password, and that will be all. Okay.